Wacko Tamale, and I'm here today with some This is going to be an informative video, so we're going to put it under education. I received 2 pigments from Cass, or Solely Beauty, as she is known here on YouTube, and she is just a wonderful gal. But she had some concerns about some products she had bought, and so she and I had some long conversations, and I'm trying to help her out as much as I can. I've got a really big background in chemistry and science and stuff like that, and what we were concerned about is this ingredient in these fake MAC pigments that she sent me. And, oh shoot, it's not on that one. It's on this it's on the first line right here, and it is called calcium sodium borosilicate. Top one. Now, for the ease of use in this video, we're going to call it CSB, because calcium sodium borosilicate is a pain in the butt to say. So, CSB. CSB, what it basically is, you just break it down. It's calcium and sodium and borosilicate, which is silicon. Now, that is in these, both of them. Now, the thing about it, CSB, is if it gets in your eyes, it doesn't happen immediately, but what can happen is you can get really nasty tear duct infections, because you have a tear duct up here and a tear duct down here. So there's one on top, one on bottom that I know of. And if that gets infected, you're not going to be able to produce tears, and there's a even slight possibility that you would have to go and get surgery to correct it. That is generally if you use it on the waterline. Now, your waterline is right here. It's between the eye and the bottom eyelashes. Don't ever use a fake MAC pigment ever to line your waterline. Things you can use to line your waterline: eye pencils, gel or cream eyeliner work great. And also, if you have like NYX jumbo pencils, and products that would be like what's it called, like the NYX matte black eyeshadow. I love that. I use that to line my waterline all the time, and I've never ever had a problem with it. And there's a reason why I've never ever had a problem with it. When you take off your makeup, don't use a baby wipe, even though I've said numerous times to use baby wipe. Use a makeup wipe. Use a $3, and they're the ELF Makeup Remover Cleansing Cloths. Now, do not use these in your waterline, but what you want to do is squeeze your eyes really, really tight while you're removing your eye makeup. Like, really seal your eye. And that will push some of the makeup out. The remainder will probably fall into your eye. Don't worry about that. Your eye naturally removes any kind of debris or yuck, so it's going to move it toward the corners. And then after that happens, which should take like 5 minutes, you wipe it out again. And also, I would like to say too that there are still companies out there that are using soap dyes. They're using soap dyes and saying that it's cosmetics. Now, granted, there are a few companies that also sell it that say this might not be safe, but use at your own risk. Well, that shouldn't even be happening. I'm sorry. So we're not going to say the name of this company, but this is soap dye. You can tell it's soap dye because of the really fluorescent color it has. I'm going to take off the lid of it. I'm going to put it on my palm because that's really the only place I trust it. You can see how fluorescent it is. If I'm not mistaken, this is Red Lake number 40. Red Lake number 40 or any of the lake dyes have not been approved for use near the eye. At least none of the red ones have that I know of. I could be totally wrong, but let's ask yourself this. Do you really want to put soap dye near your eye? Not a good idea. Not even a good idea to put on your face. What's going to happen here is it could potentially clog your pores. Everybody knows what happens when your pores get clogged. They get nasty. It's not really a happy thing. Now you're saying, well, I remove my makeup every night. Good for you. That's great. I'm happy. However, this stuff is so, it's super, super powdery. Like, the molecules of this make, these are super tiny in comparison to these molecules. So this is going to sink in deeper into your pores than this. But anyway, and also this is a dye. This pigment, big difference. So I just want you guys to be warned about that, and I want to thank Cass for sending me the beautiful pigments. She didn't have to, but she sent me Parfait Amour, which I actually found out that I'd given my best friend my Parfait Amour, so this is just replacement. And then Lilac, which is beautiful, beautiful color. And to show her that it's okay and safe, I wore Lilac. Probably doesn't look the best, but yeah. And then I put some glitter with it. So you're never too old for glitter. But anyway, so that's what's going on with those. Should you wear the fake MAC pigments? It's up to you. I'm not a professional chemist, but I wear them myself, and so far I have not experienced any bad things. So go ahead and wear them. But anyway, I hope this was informative. I know it was kind of a long, rambling video. If you're confused, leave me a question, inbox me, whatever. So, Black Widow Molly, over and out.